Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Google Pixel 10a. If you want to go to the recovery mode, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm going to use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu. There we go. And then we're going to tap on restart. But once you tap on restart, right after that you want to press and hold volume down. So this is what we're going to do. And now you want to keep holding volume down all the time until you see the fast boot mode. It usually takes a couple of seconds before that happens, and there we go. Once you open the fast boot mode, you need to use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu, and over here it should say the recovery mode. Once it does, you need to press the power button to confirm your choice. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds again. The phone will restart, and it will try to go to the recovery mode, but you will most likely see this no command screen. To proceed, you need to press and hold the power button. And once you hold power button, you also want to press the volume up. So it looks like this. We're going to press power and then volume up. And there we go. Now we are in the Android recovery mode. In here, once again, we navigate with volume buttons just like before. And if you want to select something from this list, you want to use the power button again. Now, if you want to exit the recovery mode, just choose reboot system now and confirm with the power button. And then your phone will restart and go back into the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.